Hello again, my kindergartners. We are doing subtraction. So let's take a look at that lesson, okay? So let's review a couple of things because this is super important. Super important. And we'll talk more about these. Who remember, whoa, this is where you guys would all giggle at me for a messy circle. Okay, what is this called? Do we remember? It is a number bond. Okay, the whole goes in the big circle and the two smaller parts go in the little circle. Okay, so whether it's subtraction or addition, that's what goes in those circles. Okay, so if I have, let's say I have 3 minus 2. Okay, my number we're starting out with, the whole, is going to go in there. Okay, and my 2 that we're taking away is one of the parts, so that's going to go there. Oh my goodness, please make better 2s than I am. Okay, so if we take away, so if I've got we can do our circles. We start out with 3, we're crossing out 2, we're left with 1. That means 1 is going to go in that smaller part. Okay, number bonds are really fun, and they're, when you get into first grade, there's going to be more of them. Okay, all right, so there are several strategies, tools that we can learn to subtract, and we're still working within 5. Okay, let's get all the basics down because they can all follow through no matter what size subtraction problem you're doing. Okay, all right. Is this equation true? Is it true or is it false? It is true. That was just a quick quiz to show you. All right, so first strategy we're going to talk about is a number line. Number lines are your best friend when it comes to addition and subtraction. So how would we use a number line? Okay, so if I've got 4 minus 3, here's my number line. Okay, I'm only going to go to 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm working with the equation 4 minus 3 equals, we don't know quite yet. Okay, so how this would work is you're going to find the 4, okay, and you're going to count backwards 3. When we use number lines in addition, we counted forwards, but this time with subtraction, our number is getting smaller, so we're going to count backwards. So we're going to hop 1, 2, 3. That's where we landed. What number is it? 1. So is that true? 4 minus 3 equals 1. Is 3 plus 1 4? Yes, it's true. Okay. All right. Let's try another one. I'm just going to draw another one. It'll be faster. Okay, so let's try it again for 5 minus 2. Okay, so again, we're going to figure out what number we are starting out on, which is 5, and we're going to count back this many, which happens to be 2. 1, 2. We land on 3. Is that equation true? Yes. 5 minus 2 does equal 3. Okay? All right. So let's try one more. All right. 4 minus 0. What number are we starting with? 4. Okay, and we're jumping back how many? 0. So what number do we land on? 4. We're not moving. I tried to trick you and it didn't work, did it? Nope. Good. That's because you're so smart. All right. Okay. All right. So let's keep practicing. Whoops. Let's keep practicing our subtraction within 5. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're going to color by code for our first one. Now, the first thing you are going to do is get your colors and make your key. Okay, so we need, what colors do we need? We need blue, and we're going to need red, and we're going to need green. Okay, and we're going to make our key. All right. If the answer is 0 or 1, you're going to color it red. If your answer is 2 or 3, you're going to color it blue. If your answer is 4 or 5, you're going to color it green. Okay? Now we're going to set those aside. Oh, don't mind this. I had a chef's salad today and it has ham in it. I don't eat ham, but boy, oh boy, have OJ and Sherbert been trying to steal it. So I had to move it where they can't get it. And I had, do I still have? Oh, she's by my foot. Sherbert's mad at me. She's kind of staking out to see if I'll pass her some more under the table. Okay. All right. So now that's the first thing you're going to do. Second thing you're going to do is subtract, and you're going to write your answers. Okay. You won't be able to see if I use pencil, so I'm going to choose a different color crayon. You're going to use pencil. I want you to be able to see. All right, so 3 minus 1. Another strategy we can use is using our fingers. 3, take away 1, we're left with 2. Okay, 5, take away 4, 1, get rid of that thumb first. 2, 3, 4, we're left with 1. Okay, let's see. 2 minus 0, we're not taking away anything. That's going to be a 2. Here's a subtraction rule. Any number that is subtracted by 0 is that number. Okay, same thing with addition, huh? 0 doesn't do anything to our number. It doesn't change a thing. Okay, all right, 4 minus 0 equals 4. Okay, you're going to go through and you're going to finish those. When you are all done writing down your answer, now you're going to color your code. Okay, so if it's 0 or 1, do I have any 0 or 1s? Yes, I'm going to color it red very gently. Okay, if it is 2 or 3, we're going to color it blue. Do I have any 2s or 3s? Yes, I have a 2 right there, and I have a 2 right there. Okay, is it a 4 or 5? If it's a 4 or 5, color it green, and I have a 4 right here, and I'm coloring it green. Okay, awesome. All right, and you're going to finish, write the answers first, and then color. Okay, all right, let's turn the page around. All right, so for this page, true or false, and you're going to use your number line. Okay, please keep your papers together. I'm getting rid of mine so that we don't have distraction print below it. So we're going to cut that off, and I'm going to try and zoom in here so I can show you how you are going to use your number line, okay? Now, don't separate them just yet. I've got something to show you first, okay? This is gonna make it go a lot faster, okay? You're gonna take your pencil, okay, but I'm gonna do it with crayon, okay? Just go boom, 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 all the way down. So first we're gonna check 5 minus 1 equals 2, okay? So let's see if I can zoom you in a little. Oh, that should be okay. So we're gonna go 5, we're gonna count back 1. Boom, I land on 4. Oh, this is where self-confidence comes in. Did you use the number line correctly? Yes, that means that this answer is false. And you're gonna put an X on it, okay? All right, let's try this one. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Let's see if that's true. 3, we're gonna count back 2. 1, 2, I landed on 1. That's correct. I'm going to put a check mark, okay? 2 minus 0 equals 2. Well, nothing's happening to the number, so yes, that one is true, okay? All right, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's check. 4, we're going to count back 2. 1, 2, that is true, okay? 1 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, so 1, count back 1. Oh, I land on 0. That's false. Okay, 3 minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1, I land on 2. That's false. Okay, now cut them apart, and the ones that you have a check mark go under there. The ones that have an X go under there, and you're done. Okay, boom. All right, I almost clicked on the wrong button. Okay, so go ahead and finish that up. You are doing awesome. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next one.